The MDF Innovation Days have been truly amazing. It's really an outward presentation of what's really gone on here in East Tennessee over the last decade plus. Starting with the manufacturing demonstration facility, which really brought a new public-private partnership to the U.S.
It's been wonderful to see all the cross connections between institutes, between the Department of Energy offices, and having the industry base, which most of industry we invited to this was actually industry we weren't working with. So it was really to help incubate that next set of great collaborations that we do.
We need to be able to manufacture in the United States because you manufacture where the problems are, you can most quickly meet the needs of where the problem is.
What's exciting is having all of these different diverse groups, both the labs, university, and DOE, and being able to engage and find some new partnerships.
We developed what we call tech collaboration, basically capability where companies can come in, have a great meeting with us, talk about their manufacturing challenges. We go from a great meeting to actually working on something of significance to industry in the matter of months.
We've got a lab-proven, commercially scaled technology that now just needs to make it in the field and pilot. And so this has been a great opportunity for us to meet those prospective pilots and partners.
This has been a fantastic couple of days for me. We work on technologies that are very similar in nature to what MDF does, and it was a great opportunity for me to kind of understand a little bit deeper level.
We've got a good group here, and I think this is one of the only events I've seen that brings together most of the DOE offices involved in manufacturing, the labs, and a lot of these local groups. So I think it's really unique, and I think we'll see a lot come out of this.